Hi, and I wanted to do, in this particular video, I want to show you how to get into Cengage. It is very different than what you will see with your other courses in business or at like Michigan College that use Cengage. I think a video is a lot easier. Please bear with me because I have to pose as a student, and so I have to like move into two separate classes. It's a whole thing. So the first thing I'm going to do is, if you are a new user, if you have never used Cengage before, you have purchased an access code. Now, a lot of students will email me and say, what's my course code? You don't need that, not for our course, because it's all embedded into Canvas. So let me share my screen with you because I have a course up here. It's not your exact course, but I think it'll work nicely for our purposes. Let me go ahead and pose as a student. Okay, that's totally not what I wanted to do. You know, I'm such a work in progress here. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and pose as a student. It's going to take a minute here. Okay, so here's a course. It's similar to yours, but it's not your exact course. But what I want you to do is to come down here to the module 1, chapter 1, 10 principles of economics. And I want you to click on the interactive book. Okay, this way you're not using any of your homework chances, and it's pretty simple. Okay, so I'm going to click on this interactive book. I'm going to go ahead and load the interactive book. And now you'll see Cengage is doing its thing. It's linking to our Canvas course and it's loading up the content. Hopefully I've never signed in as a student at this course. Okay. This is funny because just a minute now it's like, hey, you're the instructor, change this up so you can like play with this right now. Okay, I'll just do that. All right. It's like always fun when you try to do this stuff. Continue. Now it may say, hey, you're the instructor, don't be messing around like that. Yeah, the things that we go through, especially in Zoom, trying to show and make it more clear. Okay, I think I extended it. I think it should be doing what it's supposed to be doing now. We'll see. Okay, so now it's loading. It might go, hey, you're the instructor, we recognize you. I hope not. I hope it shows me what you should see. Of course not. Okay, let's try this. Oh wait, maybe it's gonna. Okay, let me go back here because I think it also pulled me out of student view. So just 1 second. Let me go back into student view. Actually, I love that you see me that sometimes this is like a whole disaster for me as well. And I think if anything, that can help you know that it doesn't always go easy on our end either. So, okay, I think it's going to work this time. All right, bear with me. I should edit all of this out, but I'm not going to because it's important to know that we're people too, right? Okay, so here's the interactive book, right? I'm chapter 1, 10 principles, interactive book. I'm going to click on that. Hopefully it'll say, you're a student. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and load it in a new window. Again, we're going to see Cengage doing its thing. All right, good. This is what I wanted to see, signing in. So the one thing, if you have used Cengage before, you can go ahead and put your email in here and your password. But I'm again doing this for individuals who've never used Cengage. So I'm going to go ahead and create an account. So once I click on create an account, it's going to ask me for all of my information. And this is where you will need either a credit card or the passcode that you purchased with the book. You can also get that passcode through this website. So you can do that. Oh, it's working. Okay. Okay, what type of user are you? We're going to be a student just for the sake of this. I'm going to say my name is John. It's going to want a valid email, and I can't use my other email. So let me see. Oh, how about this one? Lisa Augustiniak cengage.me.com. Okay. And we're going to go ahead and click next. It's going to ask you for all of your information. I'm not going to put that in because I don't think it's any of their business. I'm going to agree and sign in or hit next here. It's going to take me a second. Oh, time zone. Eastern Standard Time, right, is what we're on. So let's find that. It will send you little reminders, which is kind of nice. Okay, evidently I'm going to be in Kabul, just because why not? Okay. Okay. Like I said, this is such fun. I guess it has to know my birth year. I'm going to mess it up and put 2000. Okay. I really don't think it's any of their business. Okay. Next. Okay. So now they're going to send me an email. Okay. To show me how to log in. That's so bizarre because I really didn't want them to do that. I'm going to return to the login. Once you get probably a passcode, it's going to ask you for it. But once you get there, this is what happens. I'm going to just go ahead and use my old student account here. And there's my password. I'm going to hit sign in. So once you receive that email, see, this is a new step in the process. Once you receive the email, it should be copacetic. Okay, something went wrong. Okay. See, again, we all deal with this stuff. Trick is just to pray. Okay, what you can do at this point is here's your enter access code. Your access code is the thing that you purchase. Okay. Or you're going to have a credit card. That's how this works at this process. The credit card will start a 7-day free trial. If you're using a scholarship or some kind of stipend that you want to get your books through the bookstore, that's fine. You can buy them in Barnes and Noble online as well. You can actually buy them through Amazon too, but the price is going to be set all the same. And you can buy different types of semesters. You can buy a 1 semester access code. You can buy a 1 year subscription. And this access code will give you access to every course at like Michigan College or wherever you're attending that uses Cengage. So I'm going to go ahead and accept that. Okay, so here, your instructor, here's our book. Okay, your course name will be different. It is the 9th edition, and see it says payment required. So if you have an access code, you click here to enter that access code. Again, the access code is going to be what you purchased. If not, you can click continue. So you can get a 7-day free trial. I don't know how free it is because you have to, if you look at the fine print right here, make that bigger. Hey, credit card required to start free trial. Okay, so let's say I'm going to go ahead and do that. It again is going to take me to, this whole thing is $119. It automatically filled all my information in for me. And we're going to click next, and it's going to ask me for a credit card. Okay. A lot of students ask me, do I have to buy the book? The answer is no, because the ebook is automatically part of Cengage Unlimited. So you do not have to buy the book per se. I'm just going to play with this for a second because I'm interested to see where it takes me. It's probably going to ask me for a credit card. I'm going to say, no, not so much. Okay, it is slow, all right, especially in peak hours. So page under response. Okay, so it's a secure checkout, and I'm going to exit that page. Okay, so hopefully through this video, you have seen what you need to do, that you do not need a course code, and getting in is just slightly different. Once you do this, though, the first time, it'll automatically recognize you after that. Again, do you need a book? Some people like hardcover books, and I would say if you want a hardcover book, you can go all the way back to the 3rd edition. You can get it at Amazon for like $10. So save yourself some money that way. Or I do believe, again, the Cengage Unlimited comes with an ebook access to it, and it's like $10 more, maybe 15. I'm not sure. But if you don't like an ebook, have to have a physical book like myself, then you can go all the way back to the 3rd edition. Please let me know if you have any questions. Really important because this is 45.5% of your grade, approximately. And so having access to Cengage is vitally important for your course. Thanks. Have a great day.